In this video, we'll show you how to replace your edger blade. This guide can be followed for all GREENWORKS edgers with tooth edger blades. Be advised your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Tools required: you will need a 26mm wrench and a 16mm socket to complete this task. Before performing maintenance, the power source must be disconnected. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Let's get started. If the blade is worn or damaged, it must be replaced. Hold the inner flange washer using a 26mm wrench. Loosen the blade nut counterclockwise using a 16mm socket wrench. Remove the blade nut, outer flange washer, and the blade. Center the new blade on the inner flange washer. Install the outer flange washer onto the edger shaft. Using a 26mm wrench, hold the inner flange washer. Install the blade nut onto the edger shaft. Using a 16mm socket wrench, turn the blade nut clockwise and tighten securely. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your edger, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS edger will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.